After completing the bulk booking, you can add a single booking here. Now, we go to the Create Label page. This is the Create Label page. Here, you select to Date and From Date. You can also select Networks here. If you want to generate only one label at a time, you can click on the Action column for the AWB number you want to generate. Here is the label you generated. If you want to generate multiple labels at once, you can select the AWB numbers for bulk label generation, or you can select all and then click the Bulk Create button. It might take some time. If an error occurs for one or more AWB numbers, it will show the AWB numbers that generated the error, and then you can copy them. This is the error. The error is also saved in the error column so you can see why the label is not generated for that AWB number. Here is the bulk label of the remaining labels. If some or all labels are generated without errors, but you can't find them in the bulk label, then you can go to the Label Created page where all the generated AWB numbers are present, and you can download them again from there. On the Label Created page, we can see that there are 52 AWB numbers in total for which labels have been created. If you want to download all 52 again, select all and click the Bulk Create button. If there is an error, we first need to see what the error is. You can check the error column for the details. If you don't see it there, then refresh the page. In this case, the error is consignee pin code not serviced. To resolve it, click on the AWB number. It go to the single AWB number booking page where all the details for the AWB number are filled in. You can change the pin code and update it again. It's updated. Now go to the Create Label page again and try to create the label again for that AWB number. It should generate now. As we can see, the error is gone and the label is generated. This is the end of the video.